Hey everyone, it is sale season and I'm really enjoying shopping the online sales to see what bargains we can find. In today's video we are reviewing the Laura Geller Glam on the Go 3-piece face and eye palette. On the website this is listed at full price of £117, but it's currently available at just £28, which seems like a steal. So I thought we have to give this one a go. We're going to unbox these, swatch them, try them on and see if it's worth that value price of £28. Let's get curious. So inside the box we have Morning Rush, Weekend Warrior and After Hours. Let's take a look at each of these palettes. So let's start with Morning Rush. If we open up the palette, you can see that the powders are actually labelled with what they are. So we have one eyeshadow base, one eyeshadow for the lid, one eyeshadow for the crease and a blush. And we have the same setup for Weekend Warrior. We have a base, a lid, a crease, eyeshadow and a blush. And the same for After Hours. We have 3 eyeshadows and 1 blush. And so here are the 3 palettes side by side. So from left to right we have Morning Rush, Weekend Warrior and After Hours. So here are our 3 shades for Morning Rush. And here are our 4 shades for Weekend Warrior. And here are our 4 After Hours shades. I had to just go and double check that I'd done that right because I think it was fine. These look very, very similar to these. I have checked the box and I've definitely swatched both palettes though. So I think we just have 2 very, very similar sets of colours here, and then we have this slightly lighter one for the morning. It's time for the try on and I'm going to follow the instructions given. So I'm going to go base, crease, lid, blush, and we'll do all 3. This is look 1, Morning Rush. This is look 2, Weekend Warrior. And this is look number 3, After Hours. So just to finish off, I wanted to see if I could really amp this After Hours look up. And I've done that with a gel eyeliner from Laura Geller, and that is a khaki colour. I have used the Kajal Longwear Mascara in black, and then I have topped up my lips with this Figure Than Life gel lipstick. And here is the final look. I would love to know what you think of these 3 palettes. I think they're certainly worth £28. I'm not sure I'd want to pay the full price, 117. I think the matte shades are actually really nice, really wearable colours. The shimmers though are a little bit disappointing and not as good as some of the shimmers we've seen from other brands lately. All in all, not too bad a buy. I think there are some good everyday matte shades in here. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you are a fan of Laura Geller, I will link you to my last video where I review this Tuscan Dreams palette, the best of the best, and I'll link that here. Thank you for watching. Stay curious.